Hello, you alright? Right, today we shall be installing the Evotech rear spindle sliders for the Speed Triple 1200. Simple as pie, simple as anything. So for whatever reason they're using a 13mm on the end for the bolts, and it goes in this orientation, so like that, left hand side to right hand side. It goes nut, washer, plastic, metal bracket, well, metal fitting, and then on the other side of the wheel, this. And they are tightened down to a maximum of 8 Newton meters of torque, which is again hand tight, nothing big. I'm not even going to get the torque wrench out for that because I don't really need it. So yeah, let's crack on, and then we'll whack this on. So see you in a minute. Again, 13mm, don't know why. So fairly simple. Put this guy through the hole. Fit into the other side like that. Oh god, oh, right in the knackers. And then same over here, obviously. This guy here, push from the other side, drop it, drop everything because you're a spaz. Push from the left to the right, so don't fall out, and then tighten, and then push from the other side. You feel it start to grab. And 8 Newton meters, not a lot. That'll probably do that actually. And there you go. Very, very simple. There you go, looks smart, that. Looks nice, that does. On the front there. Right. Right, that's somewhat clean. Just gonna... Right, and that's all nice and clean. These guys are 8mm. So, whack out your 8mm and have at it. There we go. There's one already corroding bolt. Right, now them bolts are out, you shall need a 5mm Allen key, and then obviously your bolts, which I've already XCP/ACF coated. And then you get two little plugs. Yeah, you get 2 little rubber plugs to fill the holes so they don't corrode, which is fantastic. Very nice. Let's go fit them. So essentially, this guy goes up in here like this. There we go. Up in there like that. It actually covers the entire plastic as well, which is cool. Let me just get one screw started and I'll do the other one. So what you're gonna have to do is get this guy through here like this, and then push up with the key and then put it in. It's a little bit difficult otherwise. And of course, it doesn't really fit, does it? Okay, right. Finally, it's just gonna take a while. Let's try a T30 bit. There we go. There we go, right, use a T30. If you've got nothing else, T30 will fit. Right. Then just nip them up hand tight. Just hand tight. And now, got really nice protection under there. And finally, these little rubber grommets go in the hole. There we go, pop them in, and there you go. Look at that. Lovely. Sweet, so that'll be protected now. It looks cool. Right folks, that's a bit more faff than I would have thought it would have been. It's just getting the right bits. It's a 5mm hex key, but I don't have one basically that will fit between the mudguard because the long T-handle ones don't fit very well. So I used a T30 Torx wrench. If you've got a T5 bit, a 5mm bit or something, that'll work fine. Easy enough to get on, pushing the rubber grommets, and that looks really nice and protected now, so that's how you fit that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure, and until the next one, sod 'em out. It'll be grips next. Wish me luck.